Yo, what's up? It's that boy Tessa Madre. I know back again with another banger YouTube video. So in today's YouTube video is gonna be me. Ooh, don't mind all that trash. Today's video is gonna be me putting a cold air intake and a throttle body spacer on the truck. So I already opened it, so I'm just gonna show y'all. So in this box we got the air raid throttle body spacer. And this is basically just twist the air, and supposedly, I never had one of these, but supposedly what it does is you put it on your throttle body right there, and it basically just twists the air and just makes your fucking throttle response faster, and it's supposed to help with gas mileage. So that's what the back looks like if y'all want to read all of that. And yeah, you got your throttle body. That's what it looks like. Usually these are connected, but this one's not, so I wonder how this is even gonna work. So you got the throttle body right there. It comes with all your bolts and hardware, and also comes with a sticker and like your instructions and stuff. So it's basically just a bolt on. And then right here we got the air raid. What is it? You got the air raid. That's the part number right here. That's what it is. It's a cold air intake, but it's not the whole thing, because usually it's gonna come with pipes and stuff like your thing, but this is just replacing this right here. So that's what everything it comes with. It says air raid all around. Like I said, I already opened all of these. So all right, so right here we have your little what is this called? Like a weather strip. We got a weather strip. I'm guessing instructions. And then this right here is your throttle body. We have your coupler right here. Then we got this thing is massive. I don't think it shows it on camera, but this shit is big as fuck. And it's an air raid blue dry filter. They had an oiled one, but I just bought this one because it was cheaper. And then what else you got? You got your bolts, and then you got your heat shield. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do the throttle body first, and then the cold air intake. All right, so now that you took off, now that you loosen this up, you can pull this out, and then after you take out all your 10 mils, just set this to the side. And then you're gonna want to, if you buy this kind, you just wanna put this thing on here, and then you're just gonna place it on there, and then put your throttle body on top of it, and then screw it down, and that should be it. All right, so that's it for the cold air intake. I mean the throttle body spacer. You just wanna, after you put it in, just line it, bolt it down, and then tighten this, and that should be it. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and take this off. All you gotta do is, it looks like you have to take off these, and then take off this right here, this one, and that looks like it's it so far. So I'll show y'all after. That's all you're gonna have to do is just loosen this up, and it'll pull straight out from there, and then everything should just pop out. So this is what the old filter looks like, and the new one should just connect to this and fit right in. So I'll show y'all how to do that. All right, so you're gonna take out these bolts. That is like the metal tray. You're gonna take those out, and you're gonna use the bolts that they gave you. There's gonna be 4, but I just put in 3 right now. And you're gonna want to build your little intake thing and do this. So then whenever you bolt this down, you're gonna put in your cold air intake, and then just tighten this up to that, and then tighten that, and it should be all set. So I'm just gonna show y'all everything when it's done.
I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion. But when he died, he had them racks, he had to make a go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers, who send all the niggas on slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat, and I went on the block and they doing nothing.
Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like. We got the air raid blue filter, the dry filter, And yeah, all you do is just bolt this in and then tighten the clamps down, and everything's fine. I didn't disconnect any sensors or anything. And like with that, it's the same thing. Just unscrew the little clamp and then tighten everything down. So we got the throttle body and the cold air intake. So let's start the truck up. Understand me clearly, but I mean, it's putting on a cold air intake is pretty common sense. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and test it out, you know, like drive my truck around and stuff. So like I did last time in the other video, I'll probably put the link in the description down below. But yeah, let's go. All right, so as of right now, I don't know if I feel it or not, because my exhaust, it was already like, it had already boosted on my truck. I think I barely hear the whistle in it. I don't know, it's supposed to wake up your engine a lot more, improve gas mileage, and the torque, help throttle response. I think I feel it a little bit, yeah. It's not gonna add any horsepower, you know. It's, if anything, it's gonna barely add one horsepower, 1 to 2. But it's just supposed to improve throttle response and your air intake. I think I hear my engine a lot more. That's what I noticed. I'm not really noticing a whistle or anything like that, but I'm noticing my engine. It's a lot more. You could hear it's a lot more rumble, I guess. There's a lot more noise. There's hella traffic, so I can't really push my truck, but no, I do notice a difference. It's a little more awake, and I wouldn't say quicker, but it's some more like, I guess, responsive, and that's what it's supposed to do, make your car a little bit more responsive. So I guess it worked a little bit, but soon I'm gonna get a tune, and that's what's really probably gonna make it all come together. All right, but anyways, that's the end of this video, man. Hopefully you understood, and hopefully you like, comment, share, and subscribe. But that's the end of this video, so yeah, deuces.
Go through, nigga acting like a bitch. Really, that's what hoes do. Take your brain above your head, really just show you. Want the chain for some heads, let me go and show you.